Hi, lovelies. I know it's been a very, very, very long time, but I was keeping a little bit of a secret. So I gave birth like 15 weeks ago now. It was a very long, difficult pregnancy, and he's here now and he's lovely. But yeah, I have not been able to do any nail stuff for a very, very long time. So just a few little videos I've got coming up for you. We're doing sort of like the swirly pearly nails. So you need like a shimmery polish. Like, do your base layer first, and then put that in the lamp. And then when you do the second coat, you don't want to cure it yet. And I will show you. I usually speed this up, but I wasn't sure how long it was going to take. So, like I said, as we're doing the second coat, we're not going to cure it. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our little dotting tool and we're just going to do some swirls around it. Like, literally, it is the easiest but most, like, oh, look at that. It looks so cute. Perfect for, like, a wedding, I'd say. Wedding nails. But yeah, you want to get it in the lamp pretty quick once you've done your swirls, because it doesn't stay, like, it's just normal gel polish, isn't it? So it will go back. So we're just going to base coat it and top coat it now. And then this next, I'm just doing another one for you, just because I think the first one looks more like, like the roses, when you're just sort of doing random swirls. This one I try and do a little pattern as well. So first coat, get in the lamp. Second coat, don't cure it yet. Oh yeah, I'm sorry it's been a little bit MIA, a little bit preoccupied. That's why I was always like, oh God, I'm so ill again and so tired. Yeah, baby was sapping all my energy. So, second coat. Remember, we're not going to cure it. Get your dotting tool. And I'm just sort of like, almost like scales. Or feathers, whatever you sort of want to. Ooh. So that is that one after it's been cured. I think I prefer the first one, just because it looks more like flowers. Like I say, I have got a few videos coming up. I just need a little bit of time to do some voiceover in, because my baby does not like to sleep during the day at all. Which is fine. You can't have everything. Which means I don't get any time. He likes to be entertained constantly. So next, we're going to do... I can't remember what we're going to do, actually. So I'm just going to let me pin, and I will hopefully remember in the end, because I literally did this design months and months and months ago, before he was even here. So we're matte top coating. I think what I'm doing is ombre with pigments. So you want to do your two coats of your base colour, and then you want to matte top coat it. So blurry. Getting annoyed with my camera. And then we're using eyeshadow from Beauty Bay. So we're going to use a purpley shade. Just using that little brush there. Just like a little cheapy makeup brush, honestly, like nothing special. Nothing special. I think I'm trying to decide which pigment I wanted to use there. I'm not sure if that was dark enough in the end. So I think I start off with that one and then go in with the darker colour after. Yeah, because it just doesn't, not really showing anything, is it? Like a little bit, but if you wanted a really, really, really like, what's the word? Gentle, I say, ombre, like barely noticeable. But no, I went in with the darker colour in the end. You can see on the brush there. So yeah, we're literally just pat in. I think this is actually possibly the easiest way to ombre, rather than having to do it with a gel polish. Because I think you find that you do it so many times with the gel polish, where you're just sort of like brushing this on, and it's just easy, and it already sort of easily blends, like, because it's pigment onto the matte top coat. And then I think I lost some footage. I don't think I did the one at the top there, but I do like that one better. So then what you're going to do is we're going to base coat and then top coat. I know this wasn't a super long video today, but I just wanted to get something up because it like has been so long. So long. Like I've got some autumn nails coming up, and then I've got some of those like China pattern nails coming up as well, and like almost like Bridgerton inspired nails, you know what I mean, like the isolated chrome, and some marble nails. Like I've done quite a few videos, I just haven't yet had the chance to voice over. So we're just going to chrome these as well, just for the added wow factor. So we've top coated, and I'm going in with the ice gel. I can't remember which one it was, you probably saw, but it sort of gives it like an orangey pinky shift to it after that. Oh yeah, it does look pretty. Yeah, I do like these nails. Brush. Such an easy way to do chrome with the eyeshadow applicator, honestly, like easiest ever. So here is the final set of nails. You didn't get to see all of it, but there we have the swirly pearly nails, the ombre chrome, and just like the normal ombres. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed hearing my voice after so long. Let me know if there is any tutorials you would like to see, and I will try my best to get them sorted with my new responsibilities in tow as well. Like I did my nails for the first time in like 5 months today. Woohoo! See you soon. Bye.